Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video we will talk about how to create a custom home page in Salesforce Lightning. First you need to log into Salesforce and go to setup. This is my setup home page, and in quick find you need to search Lightning App Builder. So here it is, Lightning App Builder, and click on new button. It will redirect you to the builder page, and now it gives three options: app page, home page, record page. So in this video we will talk about how to create a home page. So I'm gonna select the home page, then click on next button, and here I need to write the name of this home page and click on next button. So here you can see the template of your home page. So I'm gonna select the standard home page, which gives me this template. I'm gonna select finish, and here you can see you can add the component in these boxes, and these are the standard components and these are the custom ones. So we will take the standard one. Now I'm gonna put dashboard here, and here you can select any dashboard which you have in the system. Right now I want to select the pipeline dashboard. Next, on the right side I want to add the key deals that I have. So it will show all the key deals, and you can set the filter of the particular component as well. So like here you can select the field and select user, and user first name, done. If user first name contains via, then this component would be visible to only via. In this way you can add the filter visibility to all the individual component. And so next I'm gonna add the report chart in my home page. Make sure the report that you want to embed in this home page, make sure the report has a chart in it. Then the next component I want to add is the today's event. What will be the today's event? And next I want to add is the today's task. So this will look like that. This is my home page, and I want to also add the chatter feed, which I will place here. And this is how I want my home page to look like. And then I'm gonna click the save button and click on activate to activate this home page. Now you can see that there are three options, which is org default, app default, and app and profile default. If you want this page to be org default to display for all users unless other assignment apply, so you need to click on assign as org default. Now I want to be add to particular app and to particular profile. So I want to add to the sales app and to system administrator profile. So here it is my system administrator profile, and then I'm gonna click the save button, and my home page is ready. And we can take a look at this by clicking on save button and click on back. And if I click right here the sales, now you can see this is my home page that I have built. It is my dashboard. Here you can see the key deals. Here you can see the new case report and the today's event, today's task that we placed, and this is my chatter feed. So if you want to edit this page, you can do from here as well. You need to just click on gear icon button and click on edit page. It will open up the builder and you can edit this home page. So I'm gonna show you how. So here you can see this is the home page, and you can see the label. This is my home page, so I don't want the new case report to be visible here. And today's task, I want that today's task is on the left side. Also I want to add the recommendation, here and click on save button and click on back. You can see my home page is edit now, and you can see that no report chart is showing, and here it is Einstein recommendation that I just added. So yeah, in this way you can create your custom home page and you can make changes in it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.